Welcome back. Sean McCaffrey, your employment coach. I want to thank you so much for requesting the ebook, Resume Writing Made Easy. Now, to confirm it's you, I'm going to request that you click on another link to confirm your email address. You'd be surprised how many people hijack other people's email addresses. I want to make sure this doesn't happen to you. So please check your inbox. And you're going to see an email from me specifically, Sean McCaffrey, with the title Confirming Your Email. Now, it may get stuck in your junk folder or spam folder. If it's not in your inbox, please check the other folder. I guarantee the email is there right now. And when you click on that link, I will immediately send you the downloadable version of this free ebook of Resume Writing Made Easy. One more thing, because I'm so committed to your success, that you're going to find a little link at the bottom, a little button that says Tell Me More. If you click on that link, it's going to take you to another page with another video. On that video, I've got my #1 secret that HR managers, hiring authorities are not going to share with you to help you get back on track to your best fit job as fast as possible. But I'm going to share with you. It's a free video. Highly recommend you click on that Tell Me More, go to that page, and learn more information to help you get back on track. Again, my name is Sean McCaffrey, your employment coach. Look forward to sharing more information with you in the next video.